A refund can stay pending in the Dave app even after a merchant approves it, because the payment still has to move through the card and banking network before it reaches your account. By the end of this, you'll know how to verify the refund, track its progress, and decide whether to contact the merchant or Dave support. Start by confirming that the merchant actually processed the refund. A canceled purchase and a completed refund are not always the same thing. Many merchants first approve the refund internally before sending it through their payment processor. Next, open the Dave app and review your transaction history. Look for both the original purchase and a separate refund transaction. Some refunds appear as new credits instead of updating the original purchase. If the refund still shows as pending, give the payment network time to complete the transaction. A pending status usually means the refund is already moving through the system, but hasn't finished processing. Keep any refund confirmation email or receipt from the merchant. If you need to contact support later, that confirmation helps verify when the refund was issued. Also, make sure the refund is being returned to the same Dave card or linked account used for the original purchase. Refunds generally have to go back to the original payment method, even if you've started using a different one. Keep the Dave app updated through your device's app store. An updated app helps ensure you're viewing the latest account activity and transaction status. If your transaction history doesn't appear to refresh, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces the app to reload your account information. Avoid requesting another refund from the merchant for the same transaction while the original refund is still pending. Duplicate refund requests can create unnecessary confusion and delay the resolution process. If the merchant confirms the refund has already been processed but it continues to show as pending in Dave, contact Dave support. Include the merchant name, purchase date, transaction amount, and any refund confirmation or reference number you receive. Providing complete details allows the support team to investigate the transaction more efficiently. To sum it up, verify that the merchant issued the refund, check your Dave transaction history, confirm the refund is returning to the original payment method, and contact support if the pending status doesn't change after the merchant confirms it was sent. Next, compare your merchant's refund confirmation with your transaction history in the Dave app before taking the next step. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Dave app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.